Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make alternate number 4 today using elements from the November 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So the elements I'm using today, I'm using 2 of the greetings tags. I'm using the Merry Christmas and From Our Home to Yours stamps. I'm using the banner. I've cut it down a little bit, and one of these die cuts, and I've just kind of rounded off the end so I don't have that big circle on the end. I have used the traditional wreath 3D embossing folder on kind of the center piece. And I've got a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of cherry cobbler that I've used one of the nested essential dies just to cut out the middle because I'm going to use this later. So I've got a standard card base in thick white cardstock so that it stays upright. Then this again is 5 1/4 by 4, and this is 5 by 3 3/4, just so everything's just that step down. So I'll put this together to start with. So we've got our 5 1/4 by 4 in cherry cobbler, and I'm just going to put adhesive all the way around the edge like this. And then we're just going to pop this down on our card base. Again, I'm using the thick white cardstock so that it will stand up. This, again, is the traditional wreath 3D embossing folder, and I've done it on 5 by 3 3/4. So again, 5 by 3 3/4. And we're just going to layer this up the same way we layered the other one up. So we've got this nice bright card. I'm going to use my cherry cobbler, and I'm going to ink these up. So we've got the Merry Christmas, and we're just going to pop this down. Here we go. So Merry Christmas, and then From Our Home to Yours. There you go. Okay, so now let's build this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this to the banner, and I just need to roll that back on itself. There we go. So we're just going to take the backings off of these, and I just popped 4 of these on just to hold it in place. Come on, you can do it. There we go. And then just this last one. Okay. And this is going to pop down like this. Okay. The reason I'm doing this is I put the edge at the top so it's not just kind of floating in space, but it's kind of equally centered on here. Now I'm going to dimensionalize this. So I'm just going to pop some dimensionals along the edges like this, and we'll peel those backings off like this. And I'm hoping everybody's keeping the Cyber Monday prepaid subscription idea in their head starting, well, it's this week, December 1st till 9th. So we're just going to pop this down like this. And the Merry Christmas is going to go at the top here. But what I'm going to do is I'm only going to put a dimensional at the top like this. Maybe I'll tear that into 2 and do 2 because it's going to overlap what's already dimensionalized. Now these are small enough I don't have to put any adhesive separately on this. So this is just going to pop down like this. So Merry Christmas. Just going to make sure it's straight. And then From Our Home to Yours, I'm only going to put dimensionals on the bottom because it will overlap as well. Like that. Okay. So this will overlap like that. So Merry Christmas, From Our Home to Yours, and I'm a little crooked here, so I'm going to see if I can just pick this up a little bit and just put it down again. There we go. And I'm going to use my the the gems that came with the kit, the little matte ones, and I'm just going to pop one up over here, and then one over here, and one down here, like that. So there we go. This one I can actually, I think I might just pick this one up and move it out just a little bit. So I'm just going to slide the spatula tool under there, and we're just going to pop it out like that. There we go. Just to make everything a little bit more symmetrical. So that is our fourth alternate card using elements from the November 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit and adding in that traditional wreath 3D embossing folder in behind. So thank you so much for watching, and look out for alternate number 5 coming up tomorrow.